What's up, Cook Fam? It's your girl Oniki all day, and today I'm back with another video. But today I'll be making a dessert because tomorrow is my birthday. Yes, y'all, I'll be the beautiful 45. But first, let me say, if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you tap that bell notification button. Excuse me. So you'll be notified every time I upload one of my cooking videos. So as you can see, guys, I will be making a homemade banana pudding from scratch. That's right, guys, from scratch. Grandma taught me this recipe. Okay, so you can see I have all my ingredients set out already. You will need 2.5 cups of sugar. This is only 1 cup, but I will be adding more. You're going to need 2 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk. I have here 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I only have 1/3 here, but I will be adding more. You're going to need 4 egg yolks. We're going to take the yolks out of these eggs and we're going to beat them. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, that is, and I like to add lemon extract too, so I'll add maybe just a little of that. You're gonna need 5 bananas. You're gonna need 1 or more boxes of vanilla wafers. So I'm gonna get started, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's get started with this banana pudding. First, we're gonna pour our evaporated milk in. Next, we want to add our sugar. This is only 1 cup, and I'll have to add another 1.5 cups. So I'll do that right now. There's 2 cups. And this is half. To that, we're going to need a whisk because you don't want your pudding to stick to the bottom of the pot, because it will. So you're going to be whisking this for about 20 minutes straight so it does not stick and you won't have any lumps. We're going to turn the fire on medium, low medium heat, and I'm going to add in my flour. This is only 1/3 here. I have to add a little bit more. Go for that. Now what we're gonna do here is just constantly stir, guys, until we get all the lumps out, until it gets really thick. Then I'm going to add my butter and my vanilla extract. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the egg. So I'm going to continue stirring this, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, at this point I'm still stirring, constantly stirring until it gets thick. You'll know when it's thick because the bottom of your whisk will be coated, and this is not quite coated yet. I forgot to mention that I will be adding some strawberries and Cool Whip to my banana pudding. So I'm just going to continue to stir until it gets thick, and I'll be back. Okay, now my banana pudding has thickened up. As you can see, it is coating my spoon, well, rubber spatula. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the eggs. But first I'm going to add some of this mixture into another little bowl so it can cool off, because you don't want to mix the this hot mixture, banana pudding mixture, with the egg, because it'll cook the egg. So I'll be right back. So all we're going to do right now is just add in a little of this mixture, which is the banana pudding mixture, a little bit at a time. Just a little bit at a time. And you want to mix it really fast so the egg doesn't cook, because our banana pudding mixture is still a little warm. So we want the egg to come to the same temperature. Not the same exact, but you know, it will eventually, but we're just gonna keep adding a little at a time. And keep stirring. Mix it in really good. A little bit more. And this should be it. There you go. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, now that I have my egg mixed up with a little bit of the banana pudding mixture, I'm going to start adding it. Really slow, and you want to stir it really fast. So the egg doesn't cook, because the egg will cook. We don't want cooked eggs in our banana pudding. Make sure you keep whisking it really fast. Add a little bit egg at a time. Don't add it all in at once. And this is the last of it, guys. So next, I'm going to add in my 4 tablespoons of butter right here. And just let that melt on its own, because our banana pudding, mind you, is still warm, so it will melt. See how smooth it is? See how smooth it is? That's what you want. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my tablespoon of vanilla extract. Let me stir this a little bit more. That's how you make banana pudding. Homemade style. Nikki style. No boxes over here in Nikki's kitchen, y'all. No boxes. So pretty. That's real banana pudding. Okay, guys, I'm going to add in this vanilla extract. This is 1 tablespoon. And also, as I mentioned earlier, I like to add a little lemon extract in too, but not as much, like half of a tablespoon. Just a little bit. Just for that extra kick, extra flavor. And our banana pudding mixture is done, guys. So I'm gonna head over here and cut up some bananas, some strawberries, and we're gonna get to layering in our banana pudding. I'll be right back. I got one layer down. Now I'm going to add in some bananas. One layer of cookies. My daughter loves a lot of wafers in her banana pudding. So I'm just going to start adding my pudding all over. And guys, I'm just gonna finish up and I'll be back with the finished product. It's my finished product, guys. I got 2 layers in. So good. This is my birthday dessert because I don't want any cake, so I decided to make me a banana pudding with strawberries and whipped cream. Yes. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new here, like I mentioned before, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you'll know every time I upload a video. To everyone, I wish you to be safe, stay home, stay clean, call your people, check on them, and we just pray we get over this virus thing really, really soon. Until then, I'll see you guys next time with another video in Nikki's Kitchen.